Ow! Let me introduce myself. I'm that green guy over there to the left with the spiky hair. Yeah, I'm kind of losing my hair. My wife, my 2 kids, and the family dog. That red building over there is our home, aka Money Pit. Inside of it, things are always breaking. But you can also see our passion to renovate and upgrade things, along with that pressure to maintain resale value. You know what I'm talking about. And all the tools that we need to maintain a tip-top home. And of course, all the other costly, but sometimes cool things that make everybody happy. Maintaining a tight home like this is tough work, and it's expensive. Heck, life is expensive, right? And it requires a ton of time. Well, I am here to help. What is up, everybody? Welcome to my channel. So happy that you have stopped by. My name is Ryan, a full-time teacher, a pretty good listener, a learner, father of 2, hubby, and YouTube's ultimate cheapskate DIYer. But not at the expense of good quality. In fact, a good deal of my paycheck goes to trying to keep my home in tip-top shape. Constant repairs, renovation projects, upgrades, new things for the kids, the kitchen, the yard, etc. But I have figured out a way to save thousands of dollars each year. Is it foolproof? I think so. And here is the key. I do most of the work myself, smartly, and I always thoroughly vet any purchases. I'm no professional, but as a lifelong learner, I always try to push my limits and strive to make my space a more comfortable, better place. I have lots of cool projects. You can search my channels to check those out, and plenty of flops as well. Whether you have no handy DIY skills or you're an expert, I believe that we all have the capacity to learn new skills. I am proof of that. I started with nothing, a typical college graduate and novice homeowner. Asking questions like, how do you repair drywall? How do you clean window screens? How do you install a bathroom faucet? How do you tile a floor? And I learned everything on my own. Now with 3 homes under my belt and more than 12 years of experience, I am confident that you can too. My goal here is to save you time researching how-to projects with simple, clear explanations, so you can learn from my successes and my mistakes. I also review handy tools and products for your home, from sanders to fire pits to kids' bikes to grills, and give tips on home decor, maintenance, and more. It is my hope that after you watch my videos, you feel empowered to learn and try something new. I reject the notion of perfection. I seek functionality and beauty on a budget, and I want you to feel a sense of pride of property through personal involvement with your home project, be it something like changing a light bulb in your oven or something more advanced like tiling a master shower. And I want to save you time and money with your product or purchase. Unfortunately, we are not all Chips and Joannas, but we, or I should say you, harness the power for change and improvement. So welcome to our growing community of DIYers. Welcome to my channel. Enjoy, learn, and don't forget to click that subscribe button right now and make sure your notifications are turned on, as I put out new videos every week or so depending on life. Thanks so much, and I'll see you out there in my videos. Much peace and much love.